let's talk brows. One of the most important things I feel like you need to do on your face. Favorite way to do them is with some brow wax. This is brow wax. I get it wet first, the little setting spray. You can also use water. I take a disposable spoolie, get it all over, and brush up on your brows, feathering them up and over that wax. That just fluffs them up and also holds them in place. Got lots of options for filling them in. I like to use a brow pencil. You can use a contour color, you can use eyeshadow. It's time to fill them in. The easiest way to do that is to draw a fine line from the beginning of your brow to the arch. Then draw a line from the top of your arch to the tail of your brow and start filling in all those areas in between. I'll back on my brush so I use a lighter touch and just do hair-like strokes, keeping it light in the front, darker towards the back. Should always be lighter in the front. Next, I take this spoolie and just fluff them up. This also kind of lightens them out a little bit if you got too much of your pencil. Got the before and after picture I post next so you can see the difference pre-brows to brows and how important they are to your face. Save this video for later and comment brows if you need a link to any of the products I use.